What's up, guys? It's Simply Spending VR. Animal Company came out with a new update, and so I decided I was going to make a video. This is literally like the first Animal Company video I've ever made out of all 12 videos that I have, but that's okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you what happens when you go in the lava. So that happens. And then that happens eventually. What is happening? Alright. Go over in this area. I mean, it says danger, so I probably shouldn't even go in there, but it's fine. It's very creepy over here. I'm leaving. I don't have a flashlight. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry the video wasn't much. I was in a private code, so I couldn't do any battles or anything, but I will be coming out with a new Animal Company video with some more things in it.